Hi dear everyone. Yes, I'm sitting right here. This is the same place last year, a time like this last year in July, right there, this side. This is the place where I had an amok, someone running there, who was eating right here where I am, and ended up shooting lives of some people. Yes, that was last year, if I can remember very well, last year on the 21st of July, and it was really sad. I remember I was in this building, I was shopping, I was right there where you can see the gallery right there. Yes, and this was a small young boy who was eating in the McDonald's cave, and the place is here. He came from there, he went down here, running down here. And the guy came out. When he reached right here, he removed his gun, he shot on this direction, and this claimed some, I think 12 people are dead. 12 people, among them most of the people were young people and one old man. It was a very sad scenario. Yes, after 1 year of resisting this place, I finally found courage and decided to come here. I was very lucky last year, being that, as I told you people, I was shopping right there. It was around 6, and at around some minutes to 7, I thought I was getting really hungry, and I thought maybe I come to McDonald's right where I'm seated here. You can see this is my food. But something, luckily enough, something ran into my mind and told me, no, you just go ahead, continue shopping wherever you are shopping, and later on you can come here. And I was really hungry on that day, so I resisted and continued doing my shopping. I was inside one shop in this mall right there. Yes, and as I was approaching the end of my shopping, that's when we saw, or we had people running in the stairs, on the escalators, and people are shouting, kids, children, women, dads, young men, and people are saying, move, 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 move. Yes, someone is shooting. Yes, so that's how I came to realize that there was something wrong. So I followed the crowd, and we hid right I think it was, where was that? I think we were hiding. I'm not sure. Where were we hiding? However, we were hiding in the stores at their stores, which I think is right there, the yellow building there. Yes. So we were watching while right there, and here on this park, can see that park? Here on this park, we saw some dead bodies lying on the park, and it was horrible. It was something I will never forget in my life. I escaped death, and yes, it was a big scenario. Police, helicopters, ambulances, doctors, etc. All this street was closed. Going down there, and also on this side, on these sides too. I hope you can see that. Yes. So it was really sad. It was really sad. Yes, I don't want to narrate much. It's still something I will never forget in my life, and I feel after 1 year it has come a time when I just want to talk about it. So that's why I decided to randomly tell you guys about that day. And yes, that's how it went down. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you the remembrance place after the Amok story. It's somewhere in front there. I will show you. Bye.